Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smash his freak. Damn. It's my world, it's your world, it's Vonte's world, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be filling this small dent in my door, in my passenger side door here, using Bondo. Now this is an absolute last option. I tried everything I possibly could to get this dent out, and nothing worked for me. So my last option is gonna be to fill it with this Bondo here. So I'm gonna be taking y'all on the process and showing y'all the final results of how it turns out. Also, on the inside of my driver's door panel, the metal is a little bit crinkled from when I got into my accident, so I'm going to be using this Bondo to fix that as well. Show y'all that right now. Now, as you can see, it's a little bit crinkled and cracked up in this door panel. And I'm gonna be using the Bondo to fix that too. So I'm gonna be showing y'all how it turns out. Hopefully it turns out good. I think it will. Pretty easy and simple process, but let's get right into it. 80 grit sandpaper and just sand the surface down to bare metal so the Bondo can bond and actually stick on the metal. So that's what I'm finna do right now. Make sure you wear a mask when you do this. Pretty much down to bare metal on that one. Bare too, so now I'm gonna start working on this side. So the next step in the process, what you're gonna wanna do is get you some dish soap, a rag, and some warm water. After you sand it, just wipe it down real good and get it nice and clean. Don't go overboard with it, because you are gonna have to do this in layers, so keep that in mind. This is about the consistency you want. You see no more streaks of red or gray. It's just all one color. been about 25-30 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and sand over it and then fill up with a second layer. Okay, so now we got everything sanded down. It's starting to get dark now, so I'm gonna hit it with some dish soap and water, and then I'm gonna throw some primer on there, and that's gonna be it. You can't really see the crinkles and dents like you could before.
To my YouTube channel and my Uncle Bob's YouTube channel and my brother's YouTube channel, because they all of us got YouTube channels.
Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smash his freak. Damn. Actually, ain't no cap with me. No cap. Your Majesty. Yeah, bitch, I'm a king. King. Bad bitch named Ashley. She bad and she gon' come and shake that ass for me. Twerk. Ashley, yo bitch added me. She all in my DMs sending snaps to me. I know you want her to come home, but she out with me. You went through the bitch phone, you just had to see. That shit sad to me. Giving a drip away, I'm thinking of starting a charity. My mind rich, a nigga, I'm wealthy, I'm building a legacy. You a bitch, your man a simp, so don't compare me, please. You don't compare to me, you don't work hard as me. And when it comes to this rap game, you don't go hard as me. I'm LBJ up in the paint, I'm number 23. They say I can't, I said I cannot, nigga, watch and see. And every time these niggas doubt, that just more fuel for me. I run the shit up like a flight of stairs. Got it out the mud without no helping hand. You ain't take a chance, you are not a man. Used to be broke, now a young nigga having them bands. Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smash his freak. Damn.